Hi, welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your OnceHub trial account to a paid plan and how to add a payment method to complete your purchase so you can continue using all the advanced features that support your business. So let's get started. First, log into your OnceHub account and on your home page, look for the Purchase Now button. You will find it in the top right corner while you are still in your trial period. Next, you will see a list of all available plans with their features. Review them carefully and select the plan that best fits your team and business needs. On the same page, you can also select your preferred billing cycle, monthly or yearly. Pro tip, if you select the yearly plan, you will save up to 18% compared to the monthly billing. Next, you will need to select number of seats or license that required for your business. You can also adjust security and compliance add-on. On the next page, you will need to enter your contact or business details. Please ensure that you are filling out this information correctly. For example, enter the zip code only in the zip code field and click continue. Next, you will select your preferred payment method between credit card and PayPal. When paying by credit card, ensure billing address matches exactly with your bank records. Even small differences or incorrect information can cause a payment failure. Alternatively, you can pay securely by PayPal. When you select a PayPal, you will need to click on Pay with PayPal and a new window will appear where you will need to authenticate with your PayPal credentials. And once all done, you will need to submit your payment. Once payment is submitted, your account will be upgraded instantly, giving you full access to all premium features right away. A few important notes. Once you upgrade to a paid plan, you can't switch back to the free plan. You can or add or remove seats anytime through the billing page. You can manage your subscription by going to the billing section in your account settings tab. And that's it. You have successfully upgraded your OnceHub account and unlocked all the tools to simplify scheduling and enhance client engagement. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.